Welcome back guys, we're back again with another Minecraft video, and this time we're going to be going over why to actually get a Minecraft server. So with that, let's get into it. And of course, if you are thinking of getting yourself a server, head on over to SeekaHost. We're going to be using them as an example, so they're a great Minecraft server host. So our first one is going to be support. Now this is great because in Realms the problem that you do have sometimes is actually getting an answer back. You might have a problem, you might have to wait a few weeks, and that isn't great if you've got a realm full of people trying to get onto it. Here with SeekaHost you can just head on over to your chat, start a live chat, and you can get a response pretty quickly, usually within a few minutes. You're also able to open a ticket super quickly and easily. Send over your problem, you can add the priority, whether it's high, medium or low, and they will also get back to you with your problem and it will get fixed pretty quickly and easily, which is set up to help guide you through making your own perfect server. You can check your network status just to make sure that all the network is currently up and everything's working. Choice of edition is another option in case you might be using Windows 10 plus Java. You can always switch between them, so not only can you choose Bedrock, you can then use other pre-built jars as Craft Bucket, you can go for Fabric server, Forge server, Paper, or you can just go for vanilla versions. So you can choose exactly the edition or version that you would like to play on with your friends. In addition, you're able to select your actual package size, so you can go for a small package if you don't need it, all the way up to the ultimate package, which holds huge amount of players, plugins, mods, etc. You've got a huge amount of options when it comes down to your server settings, how you actually want it to generate protection sizes, adding texture packs, resources. You can even change your world size on a server. Not only that, it will let you configure all the other plugins and mods that you add. You can change everything over yourself and it will change the settings to your server instantly. Talking about plugins or mods, you can not only use the built-in service here with the multi-craft, you can search through thousands and thousands of plugins, which you can install with one click. Quickly as that, you've installed it. If you want to remove or disable it, you can simply do the same thing using the same page, and you've done it as quickly and easily as that. If you suddenly decide that you want to use a modded server, it's simply a case of swapping over to a Forge, Fabric or a custom jar of one that you might prefer yourself. It will automatically make your mod folder and you can start adding your mods there as well. Another amazing feature that servers do have is the ability to go into your actual server files. Here you can check anything, you can download anything from your backups, your whitelist, your banned players, all your worlds are displayed, able to download. You can even change your server settings here or any of the YMLs, and again that's been made very easy. You can just change the numbers over, save it, and then restart your server, and that's all done. If you've got a very efficient backup option, you can just come on here, press start, and it will do a backup of your world. Not only that, you can use your scheduled tasks to make an automatic backup system, a system that you can write messages and send them onto your server, and you can do many more things. We have got a video on that, and that'll be popping up on the screen now. As well as that, you've got access to your command console, and you can do this from your mobile, your PC, your tablet. You don't actually have to be in-game to do stuff. If I wanted to ban a player, I could simply do ban player name, press send, and it will ban whoever's on there at the point. All commands can also be done through your server console. To add to that, you've also got the chat option, which I'm not going to go into because it does show players' IPs. But you can check on there, you can see what players have been saying or doing, or when they have been connecting as well, when you haven't actually been on the server yourself. So it's a good moderation tool, and I use it all the time. When I haven't been on for a few days, I might check back on the chat, just check who's been on, and you can see if there's been any bad cookies. Last but not least, you have the command section where you've not only got your default commands here, but you can also go ahead and create commands or create default commands. And using your scheduled tasks, you can actually go ahead and run these commands in game without you even needing to do them yourself. So guys, if you are tired of struggling with a 10-person realm, not being able to get onto your realm all the time, and you're looking for something a little bit bigger, more stable, and a lot more configurable, then I'd suggest heading over to SeekaHost. I'll leave the link in the description. They have a variety of packages, so if you wanted to start a small one with just you and a few friends, or if you wanted to run a large server with hundreds of people logging on daily, you're able to do it through SeekaHost. So thank you again for watching, and we'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye.